Hey guys, this is Kunal Gangar from SammyHub.com, and today we are taking a look at Samsung's Z1 smartphone. Although we have got few devices from Samsung that runs on Tizen, this is the first Samsung smartphone to be commercially available running their own homegrown OS. If you see the Samsung Z1, this is more targeted towards the emerging markets due to its price. It is actually priced at 5,700 right now, but the retailers are already discounting it for around 5,500 to 5,600. The model number of the device is SMZ130, and if you see some of the features as well, so it highlights some of the features of the Z1. It has a display, and it says that it has a 4-inch WVGA display with a maximum brightness of 480 CDM square. The Z1 also has powerful connectivity, and it says that it has a fast 3 megapixel camera with a bright lens, and it has a front facing VGA camera. So the UI is also customizable, and Samsung says that it can you can change it to like 55 color themes, and there are changeable app icons as well. One of the features that you'll find from the Galaxy range is the ultra power saving mode. So this has a 1500 mAh battery, but you can use it for more than the estimated time range if you activate this power mode. So this is the joy box. This is directly, this has been tailored for the Indian market. So we have got content from the Samsung Club, which is Samsung's homegrown media service. Then we have got some content from hangama.com as well as Next TV and Box TV. If you have a Reliance or an Aircel SIM card, you can also get a free internet service, free data actually, for 6 months. So that's 500 MB each for 6 months. So here's the Samsung Z1. uh, let's open this. As we all know, it's already powered by Tizen OS. This has a complete plastic body, and if you see, it has matte finish. So here's the front facing VGA camera, the earpiece, a menu button, the home key, the back key, the power button. We've got the mic as well as micro USB port over here, and the volume key. Here's the 3.5 mm audio jack as well. The 3.1 megapixel camera, the bright lens flash, and the loudspeaker. So let's see what else is inside the box. Here's the warranty card and the quick start guide. Earphones, travel adapter, and the 1500 mAh battery. So let's turn on the device for the first time. So it's a dual SIM device. You can see the two micro SIM card slots. You can also insert a micro SD card that supports up to 64 GB. So let's start the device for the first time and see how the interface is. So this is the Z1, the Samsung Z1 running Tizen OS. I'll be taking a detailed look in the coming days for the review, and if you have any questions regarding to the OS, to what apps does it work, or any other related to the Samsung Z1, just let me know on my Twitter handle or on Sammy Hub's Twitter handle. This is Kunal Gangar signing off. Thanks for watching.